So first, let's get into this acquisition strategy. You recently announced a new one, Stone Glacier. What is it that you're trying to accomplish with these acquisitions? Is it simply a roll-up strategy, or something bigger than that?
Well, Leslie, first of all, we're generating record profits and cash flow, and we're utilizing that to grow our great stable of brands. So we've got 10 brands, over $100 million in annual sales, 39 iconic brands in total. So that really is our overwhelming priority, but we're generating enough cash that we're able to expand into other platform acquisitions and acquisitions that help our great brands today. So we've expanded into e-bikes, we've expanded into outdoor cooking, and now we're expanding into backcountry, ultra lightweight technical apparel and gear with Stone Glacier. Terrific brand, iconic following, and a really well-managed team that we're excited to partner with.
Do you plan to continue this buying spree?
Well, we do. We've set up a center of excellence around strategy and M&A work, if you will. And so part of our strategy going forward is to be the acquirer of choice in the outdoor space. So as you said, we've acquired 7 in the past 16 months. We're going to continue on that trend. And our leverage ratio of 1 to 1.5 times right now gives us the ability to continue to grow organically and inorganically through acquisitions without increasing our leverage.
Do you feel as though you're at all, if not a stay-at-home type of name, a stay-near-home type name? And how are you thinking about that relative to where we are in the pandemic and what the other side of that may look like, if it's relevant at all to your business?
Well, Scott, because of the diversity of our brands, we play well at home or far away, if you will. So, we're into backyard cooking with our Camp Chef brand. We're into bicycling and what have you, but we're also very big into skiing. We're into backcountry cooking. We're the leader in backcountry e-bikes, and now with the ultralight gear and packs and camping and what have you. So we're near to home. We're far from home. We're vacation. We're ubiquitous now in the outdoor space. So whenever you get outside of your home, that's when you should think of the stable of Vista Outdoor brands.
You do have supply centers, if you will, around the world, not all in the United States. How are you dealing with component issues and supply?
Well, Scott, one of the things we did a few years ago when I walked in the door is set up centers of excellence. And one of those centers of excellence is around sourcing and purchasing. So we've got well over 100 folks in various countries outside the U.S. that do nothing more than work with our vendor community to ensure that we're getting our fair share of supply, if you will. No question, it's an issue, and frankly, we can't meet the ongoing demand that we see, but we know we're getting our fair share of the supply of materials and finished products.
What's the margin impact given some of those supply chain constraints, and when do you think these issues will abate?
Well, listen, inflation is increasing. Everybody's seeing it. Everybody from manufacturers to consumers. And it's anybody's guess as to how long this is going to continue. And so I think the companies like ourselves that have terrific brands, have great innovative new products, and have cult-like followings are able to share with some of the price increases. So we absorb some. We drive productivity projects every day, every week. And we ask consumers to pay a bit more for the breakthroughs that we're developing.